why do we come back to Ho'oponopono trainings? Why do we come to seminars, Ho'oponopono seminars? Because it gives us peace. We find that peace, that happiness, that freedom that we are always looking for in the wrong places. But we are only going to find it here. There is so much cleaning happening during the seminars that we go happy, we feel free, even when we participate in absentees and they just put our number. I have the opportunity to do it with in the trainings with Dr. Ihaliakala. Amazing things happen. So a lot of these things are helping us to reprogram ourselves, to let go of all memories and things, so we stop replaying and we set ourselves free. I hope to see you in one of the Ho'oponopono seminars soon.